Well, katulad po sa sinabi ng ating Pangulo ay nung nagpirmahan na sa impeachment complaint ay tinanong ko siya kung ano bang advice niya. And tama naman yung sinabi niya. He said, do your duty as a congressman and uphold your oath to the Constitution that you swore to protect. And it is my constitutional duty to go through the impeachment process as an elected representative. Now, as to why I was the first one to sign, alangan naman kung sasabihin ng tao na gusto nilang huhukayin yung lolo mo at itapon yung katawan sa West Philippine Sea. Sasabihin niya gusto niyang patayin ang Pangulo at ang First Lady ng aking magulang at gusto niyang patayin ang Speaker. Ba't naman nagugulat ang tao na pipirma ako dyan? These are statements that can't be taken lightly, especially from someone with such a high position. So, nagtataka na nga ako kung bakit nagulat yung tao. Alangan naman kung sasabihin mo, huhukayin mo lolo ko. Of course, I'll be the first one to sign. That should come as no surprise. So that's why I was the first one to sign. As to the allegations that I was the one who spearheaded the movement for the fourth complaint, katulad sa sinabi ng Pangulo, I think people give me too much credit. I was given the opportunity to sign, and I did sign, but I did not spearhead any movement, or I did not try to convince anyone to sign. I think they did that on their own volition. I did ask what their opinions were and if they were going to sign or not. But that's about as far as that's about as far to the extent as to my involvement in collecting the signatures.